love windy days in the park.
Me too! It really opens up my outfit choices. But most of all, I love windy days because I can do this.
Okay, you're like amazing in that scar.
Who doesn't love windy days in the park? Ah! I hate windy days in the park! Hold on tight! Whoever you are, I'm June Balloon!
Hey, June!
Hi, guys! I wish we could meet under less windy circumstances! Oh no! I'm so sorry, June!
OMG, she's heading towards the stationery store.
No! Too many thumbtacks!
Toast coming in hot.
Thank you so much! Hey, guys!
Yeah?
Would you mind turning the other way while you catch your breath?
Sorry.
Sure!
Whoops. Hey guys, check out my new leaf blower for the park. No!
Check you later!
Shopkins.
What a beautiful morning it is! For fashion! Morning, everyone!
This wasn't the adventurous camping trip I had in mind. Yeah, why are we here, Lippy?
Shady Diva is back in Shopville unveiling her new hat collection! Aren't you excited? Guys, can you at least try to not embarrass me this time?
Hello, darlings. Toasty, you beautiful creature, is that you? Why on earth are you waiting in this line? Come, my darling. What about my friends? Oh, it is far too bright outside to be judging your friends. Come, all of you, quickly. I am so glad you are here, darling. You are the inspiration behind my latest creation.
Don't I look fab?
Ah! Toast! Ah! They're everywhere! Toasty, that's just your reflection. Oh. So, my darling, will you change your mind and travel the world with me? You will get all the free clothes you could ever want. No, thanks. I'm already wearing the real thing. What about Lippy dressed as me? Still, maybe not. Very well, darlings, I'm off again. Never have I laid eyes on such beauty.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me!
Check you later. Shopkins. That would be like the best Vay-Kay ever.
I know, right?
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
Where we'd like to go for our ultimate vacation.
Ooh. So, where did you guys choose?
Well, Suzie and I would love to go to a tropical beach.
Isn't this just like the best Vay-Kay ever?
Totally.
Yeah, that would be the best Vay-Kay ever. Until Suzie melts from the heat.
What?
I'll get it! And Apple gets eaten by a giant sea creature. Maybe that, isn't the best place for a vacation. Agreed. What about you, Strawberry? Well, I was thinking the snow would be lovely. Oh my gosh, this is so magical. It is magical until an avalanche comes crashing down. No! Phew. And you get stepped on by an abominable snowman. Guys, I don't think I want to go to the snow. In fact, I don't want to ever leave Shopville. Like those things would ever really happen. Bye, guys. Ah! What's wrong, Cheeky? No, nothing. Maybe we should just stay in Shopville for now.
Check you later.
Shopkins.
Ma'am, the calls are coming from inside the house.
And the phone isn't even plugged in. Cheeky, does that actress remind you of anyone?
Not that I can think of. Maybe Toasty?
Ah!
Lippy?
Yes?
You know how this movie is meant to be like the scariest thing in the world?
Yes!
Well, I think I know something even scarier.
That shadow is coming from the projector! Phew, it was just a shadow.
Hey, did you eat all the candy?
No?
Oh no, and I just changed the batteries. What are the odds?
Ah! You go first! No, you go first!
Ugh, fine. I'll go first.
Cheeky, did you eat all the popcorn?
Nuh-uh.
Let's sneak up a different way.
Milk bud!
Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins!
Okay, Strawberry, let's try this again. You ready?
Ready.
Fold the paper in half, staple 4 times, fold this bit here, add some butter, fold that bit there, turn upside down, fold the wings down, bend the wingtips back up, do the hokey pokey, and voila! The perfect paper plane. Easy. Now, your turn.
Fold the paper in half, staple 2 times, fold these bits there, dip it in butter, turn it around, bend the bendy bits back, add some hokey pokey, and voila!
At least it has wings.
Coming through, guys! Get ready for takeoff. I'll never get my plane in the sky. Whoa! Ah! Apple! What do I do?
I know how to make them. I don't know how to fly them.
Hold on to the sides and lean left and right to turn.
Whoa! Nice work, Strawberry.
Phew! Oh no! Whoa! Thanks, Slick.
Love is in the air.
Phew. Oh.
Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins!
Hey, Cheeky. Hey, guys. So, I don't want to alarm you, but I think you're maybe running in the wrong direction.
I'm training for the Shopkins Olympics, Suzie.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna be the marathon champion of Shopville.
Sacre bleu.
Hey, I'm way faster than you, Cheeky. I can toast a bagel in 10 seconds flat. I don't know if that's the same thing, Toasty.
You think you can beat me?
Yeah. Let's race. Okay, so last person standing wins. On your marks, get set. OMG, is that the newest issue of Shopville magazine?
Suzie.
Yeah, go. Yes! Woohoo! I am the marathon champion.
Whoa! Toasty, what are you doing?
I'm making you the hurdle champion too.
Whoa!
You know what, Cheeky? You deserve to be the champ. No pain, no gain.
Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins!
Shopkin Holmes, we need your help. Kooky is missing.
Okay, where was the last place you saw Kooky?
We were inside the small mart. I received a call from Lippy, but when I returned, she was gone.
Cheeky Watson, we have 1 hour to find Kooky before it's too late.
Oh no, why's that?
I've got a dance class with Suzie.
I hope she's okay.
Don't worry, Strawberry. We'll crack this case wide open. And we just got a step closer to solving it. Okay, it was me. I knew it. So, where's Kooky? Huh? I don't know where Kooky is. I thought you guys were talking about the mess. I ran away because I didn't want you guys to think I was so clumsy all the time.
Too late for that. Then where on earth is...
Hey guys.
Kooky, where have you been?
Shopville?
Oh, why didn't we think to look there?
This getup in that heat? No, thank you. Check you later.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
What a day it be to sail the high seas in search of bounty. What bounty are we in search of, Captain? Spilt matey, the fabled treasure chest of Shop Island is what we seek. Back from a time before ye and I, an old sea dog by the name of Buccaneer Bud is rumored to have buried a chest full of mystical glitter that turns Shopkins into Bling Shopkins.
Oh.
I wouldn't get too excited yet, me hearties. It looks mighty dark out there. Aye, Captain. Arr!
No, I mean use your eye, Captain.
Arr, of course! How do you say thank you in pirate? Thank ye. Thank ye, cheeky crossbones. There it be! Steer us to course! Shopkin me timbers! It be a creature from the depths of the sea! It be a sea creature? A sea creature! All hands on deck!
What are you doing?
What am I supposed to do? I don't speak pirate! Guys! Are you going to play in the pond all day? Come on, there's so much to do in the park. Sounds fun. I just need to stop in at the small bar. Let's go play on the monkey bars. Don't you just love the pars? See, Lippy, you can speak pirate. This won't get old anytime soon. Check you later.